The Supreme Court is set to hear petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370 in Kashmir. Remember, Article 370 had given Kashmir its special status. A 5-judge bench headed by the Chief Justice begins the petition hearings on the 11th of July. My colleague Nazir Masoodi joins us for more on this. Nazir, who has pushed these petitions? What exactly is the justice that is being sought?
Well, Vishnu, there are around 20 petitions which have been filed challenging abrogation of Article 370 or revocation of provisions of Article 370, which gave, special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and also downgrading and dividing Jammu and Kashmir state into 2 union territories on August 5, 2019. All these petitions are challenging the constitutional validity of the central government's decision and also the process which was followed. At the heart of this whole thing is the role of the governor. Can the governor actually become the state government, assembly of the state, and decide on behalf of the assembly and the government, elected government of Jammu and Kashmir? That is at the heart of these petitions, that how can this happen when there was not an elected government which would have recommended such a thing? Because there have been, big amendments in 370 in 1965, but that time it was J&K Assembly which had recommended, which actually removed the posts of Prime Minister then and the Sadri Riyasat, and also extended the, jurisdiction of Supreme Court and other constitutional authorities to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, finally, after 4 years of the abrogation of Article 370, Supreme Court will finally hear these bunch of petitions on 11th of this month. In fact, there have been at least 3 chief justices had said earlier that they will hear this case, but for the last 4 years, people have been waiting to hear this case so that this actually, the outcome of these petitions, this case, this hearing will have far-reaching consequences, whichever way the case will go. But people have been waiting for this, that case should be heard. Jammu and Kashmir is without an elected government. It's a union territory directly governed by the central government. But a big decision that is finally the hearing of the petitions challenging Article 370's abrogation will be heard by the Supreme Court's constitutional bench on 11th of this month.
All right. Thanks very much, Nazir, for sharing those details.